lady can mention a tea for the kind of food. Like I said, for a very long time. Wow. Sister, me buy my bomb they said, nothing actually. Now I'm a pushy buttons. Now, yeah, my systems are your right? Not human beings, but systems. I made that young couple said the mother NDC for paying for, especially national executives, regional executives, and constituencies. So, my client say, yeah, my systems and your juma. Into Americans are the same, and came at what I say, by 2 days, 3 days. Can betty did day, any who, yeah, and there will be flame hatching so by national headquarters. Obama, a hot is a cemetery. And now, unlike before, and got one book with Jay Buho, and no more a body, and no more men remain a bomb day, sir. You say, it be a coquenancy. But Nancy, I'm not by Tiaboni tribunal. The one to command as a young Sintonko. Now, because you butcher report to no buy. Now you steady and you say the way you manage your primaries no. Emma, Nyama Bibri FIAC. Emma Yeshua, we lost about 50 seats our parliament as 50 seats. So you manage primaries new year and has 50 seats in 3 years. Now to lose 50 seats in parliament and then lose presidential election, I gave you a name was said the woman did not reflect it. Now you said this time round, you didn't have to go about transparency, openness, about system. Until you know, your national officers, two women go on my way now. They say, make us a general secretary or head bono and near half also. And now we took on the deputy general secretary, but in charge of operations or war Bono East. Another deputy general secretary, Barbara Sawa Samoa, Eastern region. Yewura Kobe Ballon, deputy national organizer, Upper East. Kobe Akogan, deputy national communication officer, Northeast, new region. Yenu Alfred Agbonyo, we say, and then Sankwani is sworn in as one of the deputy director international relations, Cecilia, or Uti region. Yura Kofiato, another vice chairman of the party, Water region. Honorable Ambassador Moses Mobimba, another vice chairman, Northern region, Cecilia, and Yama Michel Reality, another vice chairman, Greater Accra. It may and Ura Daniela Mati, or a deputy director of elections. On there, Dr. Zuberu. Woman, I am Momoko, a Fram Place South. Wouldn't have Fram Place South, it's answer regional secretary, a contest election team. Yes, a national, a handle. Maybe I'm betting no be a no national. Inti Yama national for me, Dr. Zuberu, and Honorable Daniela Mati, a course of Monko representing national. No one share a band of nominal electoral commission for no entry, and be declared results no more. No, out of the transparency and openness now, but you person, if I have a regional secretary in a contest into region for no, a very bias into one course of supervising in person and no. Me know a Casa you know, Yura Akamba, our central region, and now Yura Pablo, a youth organizer, and so a war western region. Domka, Cassiana, national officers, no, Mammy Fua. Deputy National Organizer, Abigail Deputy National Organizer, and Zongo Cost Coordinator, and one more canning now or Greater Accra. Greater Accra, they are not a hash until my mom near deploy. And penny for no baby, every police station be a community constituency be an penny for no be over. You're a Daniel Nine. On the national chairmanship election. Or no, a comedina, or Ambassador Horace Ankara, or also Echo Adenta, or Adenta at the Amaye. You were new Jang Bavanda Point, or also a member of the election directorate into no and then a pay through much by no and I'm no money director of elections. And you were with Ankara, and you were. Greater Accra Regional Chairman Adekuka and I hear Greater Accra Nede. This is your own penny for the door. I think Yanto Mungu baby. You were on a Pedro. He was a retired EC officer. A very experienced person. Also, near deployed in a song called Ningo Pram now. On compare, you will deal as a national representative. And you put more, not to say, the moment actually change the Panina, Ubia or Babia, or no so Hena, where did you want at the Aboy, you were Chifazoka, or no Abba, Accra, Abba Drain, the internal security system. No, I want headquarters to monitor and liaison with them. Who's a process for a year as no wing in but yeah, well, security setup. Say, be your information be our headquarters, no more relay the amount police necessary. But so far, there, in Yanti, be my monitor throughout the whole country. We did say, near my cost of fine. And say, who central and in ya, with you in Chicago, about almost 1.5 hours ago. And no any director of elections. Transi aye ya tutuwa ma seseno o ma start nso mo start to aban be 1 hour ago. Okay. A standing issue no go so say matu obi okoho Ira Kofi ato enam kwan so akaka no aduhu no akọ transi be do say won beto abana be wie na sa 3 branches na aye disputed no na o ma resolve. Enti metumi aka say ye ne electoral commission for no so edin san so kese pa. And my catcher election, no, so more anchor. They interfere in the process. The Uncle they are just monitoring officers. It's say a party election, it's a party for year near more. Electoral commission for the new Musutu. The company phone never call them to order. While the electoral commission does technical work, no more to me. Be a economy. The thing now I can say, we do by no more better about every other person. We will have peace. Material interviews in the Hawaii, but every crowd will not offer. I had near full set a home, I had a flashpoint. Material interviewer, or my face and a real good Tamale, important woman are dealing, and we did say things are going on well because we have just allowed systems to work. You know one interesting thing? One of our guidelines is we made the proxy at Baba. Proxy, I can't proxy. So we knew how between proxy at Baba. Proxy knows what guidelines are so fast. It is also used to proxy. First, over your letter. Now, do ID card, photocopy of your ID card, and branch now. No, I can see beer. May call Hajj, and I said, may I read the hospital. I mean, 220. No, 2 as soon as we say on to mommy. And my also said, no better exercise proxy no should be a delegate. So, until yeah, no, a greater Accra. Yet is a proxy no doors from Babina General Secretary say, you call next meeting the general Mufa proxy in Yamba. Now may examine according to guidelines. Who will say we are not a proxy Bahupe? Bahupe the qualified. Bahupe. I'm for Roman. Wow. Until I'm can systems are working. Until I'm really pending. Because I also commit the pending. You are not proxy or a former minister. Maybe I'm not a former MP. Until we are denying this all man and all. But we allow the systems to work. My systems not until the systems are working. And I believe, sir, and non ama in Yama air course and air course. The empire one say is the end that justifies the means. Until you ever say I am mostly or how no do not tie was say Yatuabanevi, neighbor Becking kind. And when I would tell to say I want more tension, I put down a minister. Can you see any police workers? Said they should take control when they count for counting. And now, Yama accreditation, Amma candidate be an agents. Into the agents, they accreditation, I'm on candidate be our 2 agents. Into one month, the mom who can show money never be a kind no more observer. By a judicial electoral commission for no will do the professional job because a homo juma. Into a holiday jammer, yet you council. And your pro bono and your free no money. Yet until we expect that having paid them, they should do the right thing. Until me who put said, and no one said, candidate be able for good agents, no agents in progress on very much more. I heard there, I can't handle some me new. It is a walk at when now, or that. Nasa will be the farmer said there, and they may know then you'll be in a country. But I think we are not going to have a situation like that. Let me also place on record said, and your voter register. Now, also your one thing and also to make a problem. The idea said, this year, but I to voter register. Yeah, director of elections, and sign every page. Now, on for party, the seal, say, or seal, and yet, pardon, ink pardon, seal, no, yeah. The official insignia of the party say like the name fountain team in also. I say no, who never be I just said general secretary. The draw who no be no the man Sunday with the party seal and they are serious Sunday morning. Ama register na authentic. Ntimi could be shame, no ntimi could be so in free. I hope say the way I got to tell you a be me de me cancel my call round sir. I feel na me share your crown and befa no me fit my voice okay nti my voice for no if my fish here St James say nti me ko makwa me will vote for but me to aba ade me share candidates me ansa no me no mo ne executive meeting na ansa na me ka tell on say ma che me vote no 3 nti mama candidate bia 1/3 nti me che me vote no ma ansa na the neighbors.
It's all over 2 day or necessary. I'm a photo now.
And now, me could no me now much judge himself as a father of the party is my chair vote and I'm me and son of Muda Massy. What you be other know that was here, as I echo different.
But give me some where I will you find some aspirants, a dean, a work, and a sort of funny, I don't know. Is that a problem? And I say, in your hobby.
Well, Aeronetica. It is completely unethical. Yeah, agree. Say, the almost a party no opposition in this country, but if a modern see bring you big crack, there will be over 12 baby. I send away at least. Coco be nay. So about to the 1 minute, one touch. Who shall I now to we are now into your periwica crammer every delegate to be across the country. Send away ya, who being cassette by and so cramming your pin. But in politics, they never will know. I tell you, I'll catch you free one. Nti so bi ba no say and there's a nipa num na ejina na nipa me nsa na ejina no bi aye bia ne no si be dia say there's other night say no ubro nya na wo di say provided say eno nya influence na bi o ha bekodo na osio e bia mu fiache na ba ti no mo ba mo to aba no wi ana we will be o ha me dem say dey sure say that cannot be faulted too much. Me tie o correspondent back one no can be no say Jessica near you know there we are against it. And I was even surprised to say such allegations no we put in the public because sometimes they may be allegations. And you know my taking note of constituency no kind already my friend Crawford so we move into that constituency and find out whether indeed it is true that those items are being shared. Then when we get evidence of it, I will take some action because it is not good for the image of the party. So, but we begin up radio so I can see the coin. I mean that is not it. We your person call for no share. So now can the statement that me mind and say, "Mon to abam will be a more confidence when we so with me at the Senate Parliament effectively." Intino and say we disiketch. I was also beer. Would you say? Adwuma no obetumi aye na wato aba ade ama no nti these are things that we monitor and investigate as we move ahead no afie bia no is your lesson we atimi dey correct the future one maybe in future no what do we see we may even say say na tedia say we candidates for no be afeso no be ana ade na mo first can no emba we inform mom na we organizer no and we do ana no na on chair mo be as a candidate in na no say maybe we can look at it as we
is it early days yet if say the previous election somewhere comparing to this? Is it because of the time to back say it's too early to predict say it is going on well?
It's too early, but just a coming event cast their shadow. It is already so far, suddenly a choir go see a draw. Yan shut down and if you are watching a monitor baby, a young tea baby or baby. And just a baby, I'm sorry, Yama baby, sorry, but we manage them to solve them, and we solve them professionally, tactically, and with integrity. Yamano Kofo, won't mean 100% foolproof for you. Let's say you have 1 or 2 challenges here and there. But, sir, me can say NDC has become very attractive. Very attractive party now.
As in what?
Any junk of when now I say 5 o'clock on the
of course, that one depends. The reporter, you cry. Yeah,
because on Pentem, on Punk up and Tebby and party for their power. They are hungry for power and they realize it will be on that.
But this is an internal election, so how do you compare that with an internal election?
It is the barometer. The measure the sources, the activeness of the party. Because which such a party is very, very active. Can we call?
So no one delegate to be encouraging. I ask to be encouraging.
They say we call voter region. Let us know when you have voter region. You converting conform. Because civis now, the UCs and DC have really come back. As I said, one here lowest can now hear masters, PhDs, professors across the country. So the quality of your parliamentary candidates and their level of acceptability has an impact on the presidential votes, because I moved my West votes to unprecedented levels. And my president, even though we vote to do so, every single president, but I moved the president votes at the over 10,000 near the crab account. So I answer now, but my candidate be a could baby. No, because of the popularity, no, what me boost to the votes, not affect the presidential vote. So you know, Cambo more, and I'm a friend and president, and also to me in winning. Until already we have a very popular president. Until we have popular parliamentary candidates, hardworking and very attractive and credible candidates. It will go a long way. But I can assure you, sir, from vetting a career, background, your candidates have been on the registry of young people.
But how do you think the face NPP force now they're making sure say baby are seat near off and at the moment they try to go in with a different strategy. The omode ba no comparing to how amode no mo ye no wholesaler mo bie mo piano. Who say?
Yeah, I said party obi an analysis. Yeah, so you put everything on board. And my you said this is the first time I party yeah prime minister yeah both sitting MPs of constituencies now. This is the first time. Normally what we do is that we do the offline constituencies first. Maybe we are now sitting MPs now. But yeah, the MPs no, I think I see a lot of friends analysis and they take you so many things in consideration.
So where are they be a mama ya I feel NPP for issue?
Well, we are not looking at them. You heard previous primaries. For instance, previous primaries, the universal adult suffrage. We are not a party member, no registered, we suffered from it. We suffered from it because they do, baby. Now, at the ethnicity and tribalism about the party. Because Oko baby to say, Laura say, you lose Laura City. Because not be decided. Any honorable Sammy, 2 a year age now. Will be free one dominant tribe. Inti Ubia and Adrian say better my unipa. Inti Bahu winning primaries now. And the other tribe nice. Well, one of them winning their Monko facility near Yento. Inti and also affected a baby, my yellow shoe. Sees baby, baby or cry over Kai said, Aquatia, you suspended primaries. Because na candidate ba ho fi kuro bi so kuro mfo no omo anya NDC fo nyina kan say sa candidate nda ekode a ombo ka register ma NDC afi de hwe kuro ya me mpeze mo body ye to aba ye vote nu ba ye 200 kwa enso no register na ba ho na nipa ba 400 and something o body o say that be we de ye hwe de yi because I had trend analysis and who say ye support base ni members na wo ho no Cran in Lusa. You come here, my and for bombs here, and then this for by as much as we feel criminal for the now I say for register. And in the not the same way, no, even tribal and clan issue, you know, so at this time, you decided to say, you let's have a back near the fire election, the delegate system near far. I remember delegates not yet made a matter of. But look at number no huge and easy. We are talking about almost 30,000 branches that will be adding 99 people ever.
Well, it is just 6 minutes just away from 12 here this afternoon now. The Honorable Chairman of the NDC, you are Samuel for Sobofo. And Honorable, I know, sir, it's a JB Twaba, or some constituencies so as on hold, a bit so or her, a bit cry, cry. Almost for more modern Sabre. Let's start from the on hold for
a strategy. Hold the day. Young, yes, yeah, strategy this time. And they say one after the other. You put to be on hold because so from you no need journey until you are doing the set. But be any problems be for the first thing they say be a necessity MPs no be say a election war. Now for other areas being so yes any problem you clear. It is all about 275. And almost 100 and something.
If you wanted to ask you, because per reporter from the General Secretary, 157, and now the Electoral Commission is also telling us that 165.
Between time you decided you say a few areas here you're putting on hold. For instance, Bia West, MP no, I Inti Fibra, you be a nomination be seen on the campaign. And on really put into regional and the constituency difference almost a may and pray and pick up a panocra or that hospital. I feel the on call constituency until they say an answer. You wait near money in our nail, your first set, you put it on hold a bit in the upward. And a few places like a Lambelan, they last minute a year Tuesday, no, and you put a few constituencies on hold until. It will be true, sir, between here there, the bar earlier on, and then the electoral commission for year and then we might have because a few of them.
But electoral commission, no, I was so, and I'm more than 157, almost 165.
Well, I have to check with the election director.
Maybe we yes, maybe
I don't want to maybe I'm my friend, honorable is a free anchor.
All right.
Election director and watch it because that's not my department interview, but I do want my mature be idea.
So still on the which is now the 5 is on hold now.
Yeah, a number of them I number them are on hold, and the regions also know, especially in Eastern and Ashanti region, we tactically decided to take our time. We say a stronghold.
Yeah.
But all your political strategies, you need to adopt different ways of doing things. In Timbo said a few number of constituencies have been cleared. The rest will do some serious work with the constituency and the regions, and they will clear them as and when they feel say they're ready to go.
But how do you clear this allegation? Where am I for candidate?
Yesterday I was reading the and now I'm hearing the After all, they should know that the people who are handling the party today are very strategic. Until we don't discuss our strategies in public, until they can just tickle themselves and laugh. See any candidate. We have candidates. We have candidates. You can see a billion now. You keep it 275 million. But, Massa, I grow no. I grow no from. I thought we are yet them. If you them, trip it to Takrema. Now you're briefly and Crawford. They don't see me a they don't understand our strategy.
So, when yes, money candidates.
Our candidates will be. Me just say I'm a book constituencies. I ain't be catch your candidates. You will be amazed. But for us, a yes saying, Keteliso, a yes saying, do you say? You're bending now that one night to solve problems now. A rob one say be clear we are free. Not bad, no. At work, trying to get me more men on the ground to do the proper due diligence. First year, and we are moving to the next phase.
All right, we've had a figure from Honorable Free across AF 157.
Okay.
Constituencies now.
Okay.
All right. It's Honorable. So, rounds. What is the message for the delegated aspirants, and they will be involved in the exercise today?
The big message, let's say, what is important to us is post-election management and environment. Abaya to Netibia, if you be dinkum, if you be dinkum. One more bedi nkunim no omo and measure womo in terms of celebration and the way they conduct themselves. Because after election, we need everybody on board. And no more bidding Google, so they should accept it in good faith. Say, what to coin? Netibia one part never chess. Until one person will win. Yabon model put in safeguards to ensure transparency. Say BBC na say obi any year. And my name hanokra because even the electoral commission for na yes election, a party no and I bon pass on money. It is so big for the BS in the name on for the appropriate channel. Na on petition party headquarters. Na yeshum. Obi an farm branch and some. Na what we're doing with the monsoon or Casa ne should be something that will bring the party together. More than that will divide the party. Yeah, well, conflict resolution committee already. You set it up a year Juma. The former Speaker of Parliament, Honorable Dua Jaho, and all chairs are committee. Committee no fear Jordan almost year Juma because the TBR near 20 about when you say, yeah, post election challenges. But I so proactive, and say Monday now issues before be a say a committee in terms be very fair no more. Now more to abandon so no. One more should exercise restraint. Yes, sir, for no say. One more than say about on we. Na say a kanya, so time near here more. I thought there be a Portuguese on free be a jump provocateurs. We were or no Baba Beshem or when be a bruni. Or Baba say, or the annual be a garim. They should be on the lookout. No more such characters. I'm going to hand them to the police because we want to have a very peaceful day. Now, yet me as a clear signal to the Nakufodo and Nabani say, one more wobble, one more wobbling. I'm going to jail was so sad. I know better, and no crowd there say, MD Crow bosses will resign. And also say contract to be on some to resign. You for employment was there, and also board member Bishop resign. And now I wouldn't be a cost of see corruption, catastrophe. See, the Henia Clearing House, a managing director of Akufo-Addo Clearing House, but me a cracker over no more free honor. But you see, it is worrying because a man will be able to do the same. I will see it look I said we move one step forward, 2 steps backwards. But I'm hoping, sir, President did not be civil. Now, I feel back when I cry, I can't send me a journal coin, or better say, or better to name no mind no more. Well, because you see, you can't end this once and better may veer into other areas. So say insecurity. I am major challenge. Bambo Honsen. We better not studio her, and I wish that I'd say me name no this interview. The catcher on say, and my Casafa vigilantism to draw some idea we are can. I am for near so for IED. I'm when you're careful because I know it's never no. A be free politicians for not bomb my catch it. What is on my hand or your my hand? It's no attacking a Bruna and the Nina Catania and the court hospital. Female what to be that? Female what to be that? This could on my hand. Ya Bruna, Mama Yankasa, on my hand, powder the new one. I saw boxing now. On now, what is one? Yes, I said. Cross nothing, I couldn't see him. The years of no, whom you could remember by any aqua second. Share out for at some point him. Try the idea. The signals are no good, Dominion. And you're good crowd. And you're good crowd. And you're good crowd. And some baby, no cost. I would dream what you say. On my dear anchor, you hear say, I want you to Sikani ho, but Sumujua, no fans. I feel it. Wow, commodore. Sikani bottom. Also, I won't conquer with our crowd, who said, one number because one number is here to me. A children, I own your door, near your coon, and I say, a prepper. You see, a name of beer, a breeding crank, I am careful. A barber year, a very complex situation, handling it will be very difficult. You know, those who are in charge of national security, and until I am election, yeah bompa yes obian for basabasa bia man yen send signal say as a peaceful party no we mean well for this country. Now me give say under the leadership of the next president of the Republic of Ghana nyame ankasa e ka kire ne say onko home kakra now onhwe niama na afi omra na ometutu niama yi maye no President Mahama beba ma ba beto aso na dwumadi a unfinished business President Mahama no dey no is to come an agenda 2020 no is to finish the unfinished business of John Dramani Mahama.
To finish the unfinished business
of John Dramani Mahama. Because adwuma wo ho. Adwuma no so na ko for Dubai no why na adwin say bibiri ho home fund nsanka. Legon Hospital edifice, one of the modern teaching hospitals at Asosio. Why hospital? Now, M1 said, Nana Akufo-Addo could be so disingenuous with the people of this country. Akwa Kujina was said, Obi na started no about baby. In any case, Nana Akufo-Addo near see hospital now. In fact, one for West Upper West, one more demonstration, a year press conference upon press conference, or maybe hospital now. Simply because one person or the credit, and one President Mahama, no person. After ko gyina ha wo so ebiribi na President Akufo son ho dae na President Akufo so ho dae no na meanwhile no President Mahama had to renegotiate and do everything, get the money and get the thing constructed almost 90-something% complete and send the lose election for the past nearly 2 years plus no na dan we si ho mo President commission we dem bebre of anko kasoa ni nyina agu ho no mo twa yantro ne say ansa na yakọ ti ya na enya asama we dey ha o ka say ni ti ye na aba be because rap catch be wo ayi Kolebu Benz and plastic surgery and Benz unit you call you know very I am so more VIP ward abrosanya o ma year very neat nti ye sounding na me who said the project was commissioned by Her Excellency Nadumas. And that inside the no inside door. Who will our reception inside door? Plaque not said this project was commissioned by Nadumas. You peer near qua, no one side the plaque for Frabable Home for the Yabo on one side. President Mills Bayano. President Kufo started N1 project of better was. Every local commission, also President Kufo Barbara. Na me no nyina nko na yemfa nidi ema na nidi se no se Ghana for President Kufo na sha ase e na mbeto aso no binti me ni nyina be ka te so do President Mahama bai na FPS wo ho nom wo ye no se ye se de to President Kufo ye de beto no be friend no FPS Kufo and ye de to no eno ni omamu you see by your action you create yourself as a unifier. But you don't go anywhere, say, who corner so okay, yeah, then, more President Mahama credit, credit, not by class, why you papa.